Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Tobias, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of these Jeecoo M20 RGB computer speakers. They go for $29.99 on Amazon, and I'll go ahead and put the link to this Amazon page down in the description below in case you would like to check that out for yourself. And I was just reading the box a minute ago, and these speakers should be USB powered, and you should be able to connect to them via Bluetooth. So next I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, then I'll test them out, and then in the end I'll let you guys know what I think about them. And just really quick, if at any point if this video does help you out, or if you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would really help me out a lot. If you would like to see more unboxings and reviews by me in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button, and let's go ahead and get into this. Alright guys, let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, there's a tab on the back here. And it looks like the speakers are individually wrapped. On the pictures on, or actually the main picture on Amazon, it kind of made it look like it was a single sound bar, like what you would have below a TV or something. And it actually looked like I was actually expecting it to be like much bigger. But yeah, this is actually the size of it. What do we have here? It's 18-month. Oh, scan for 18-month warranty, so you could do that if you want to, get the extended warranty. And then just the user manual. I just want to... Alright. Let's go ahead and take the bubble wrap off of these. I actually did a review of a pair of speakers that remind me a lot of these by this brand called Soul Lion. I have that video on my channel if you want to check it out, but yeah, these are actually these are very similar to those. Roughly the same size and everything. The design is way different, but yeah, they just remind me of them. So I'm guessing the top of the speakers are where the, let me see. These I'm guessing will be the RGB lights. And of course we have the USB cable right here. So I'm guessing you need to connect via Bluetooth to these. Like, it doesn't look like there's an aux cable. Well, let's go ahead and test them out real quick. I'm just gonna undo these ties on the back of the cables. Okay. I'm trying to figure out which one's the right and the left, so... Oh, by the way, on this speaker, it looks like there is a volume control knob right here. Also, keep in mind, guys, the price of these. These are only $30, so pretty inexpensive. And yeah, like this, that's how they looked on Amazon. Like, they looked more like a sound bar like that. So I guess you could have them like that, or you can stand them up like this. Let's go ahead and plug these into my computer, and we'll give them a try.
USB mode.
Okay, they automatically turned on. And so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a quick look at the instructions, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went through the user manual and I have an idea of how these speakers work now, so let's go ahead and just go over that really quick. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is how to connect via Bluetooth. So right now I am connected to the speakers with my phone via Bluetooth, and the way you do that is just like any other Bluetooth device. First of all, you will have to plug in the USB cable to something. It doesn't have to be a computer. You can actually even just use like an iPhone charging block or something that will be able to give the speakers power. That's the only thing you need the USB cable for when you are connecting via Bluetooth. So I still have the speakers connected to my computer, and then I went into the Bluetooth menu on my phone, and it shows up as the Jeecoo M20. You can see it right there. And I'll go ahead and just like play something for you on my phone so you can see the speakers actually working. Alright, so you can see the speakers work, right? This, of course, controls the volume. When it makes that beeping noise, that means that you've reached the maximum volume. And then, as you can see, these RGB lights, right now they're set to a setting where they are just cycling through all of the colors. If you would like to turn those off, or if you would like to just stick on a solid color, you just push this button on the top. This knob on the top also can be used as a button to switch through the different RGB settings. And I think the colors, it just, like these different settings, like as you can see I'm switching through different colors. I think if you land on one, it'll just cycle through like a specific type of color. Like, I don't know, like this one's maybe just doing pink to yellow, I'm not really sure. But basically you could just cycle through those with this button. And then one thing that I noticed in the user manual is that you can actually connect these speakers to each other by sliding them together. Like this one slides into here, and you just do that, and then it's more like a little sound bar kind of thing, which is kind of cool. I actually think that does look cooler than having them standing up. So yeah, that actually looks kind of cool. You could have it down there or something. I think that's kind of cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate those again. And then if you want to switch between say the USB cable or Bluetooth, you just double tap this button. So 1, 2.
USB mode.
Now it's in USB mode. And so right now my phone should have disconnected. Let me just double check. Yes, I am not connected. So now what I'll do is I'll go into my system preferences on my computer and go to, so I'll just show you guys how to do this. So you go to sound right here. Let me zoom in the camera real quick. Okay, so once again, you would go into your system preferences, you would click on the sound right here, and then where it says output, you would select Jeecoo M20, and then I'll just go ahead and play something real quick to show you that it's working. So yeah, there you go, guys.
Friends on some real
And that's basically all there is to these speakers. Alright guys, so when it comes to my final review of these speakers, when it comes to a cheap pair of speakers, I mean, once again, these were only $30. For the price, I'd say they're not bad at all. You know, when you do crank the volume all the way up and say you're like listening to music, yeah, you might get a little crackle in the audio when you have the volume all the way up. But in my opinion, for speakers in this price range, I'd say it's kind of expected. But as usual, guys, I would love to hear what you guys think about these speakers. Let me know down in the comments below. Once again, I will have the Amazon page for these linked down in the description below in case you would like to check those out for yourself. And if you did like this video or if it helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more unboxings and reviews by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. I just want to mention really quick, guys, I do have a main YouTube channel. I'll go ahead and leave the link to that channel down in the description below as well. I'm actually in the process of building a koi pond, so if that sounds cool to you, make sure to go check that out. I'm hoping to get that finished up in like the next month or so. So anyways, guys, I'll talk to you all in my next video. Peace!